Welcome. If you've ever sent a sticker in an Instagram chat on your PC and instantly regretted it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsend a sticker from a chat on the Instagram app for PC, following the latest update. Whether it was a sticker sent by mistake or you simply changed your mind, these simple steps will help you take it back, quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane, and click on it. This will take you straight into your direct messages. Next, scroll through your list of conversations and open the chat where you sent the sticker you want to remove. Once you're inside the chat, take a moment to find the exact sticker message you want to unsend. It might take a second if the conversation is busy, but don't worry, you'll spot it. Now here's the important part. Next to the sticker message, you'll see 3 little dots. Go ahead and click on those dots. A small menu will pop up with a few options. From this menu, select the option that says Unsend. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this sticker from the chat. Click Confirm, and just like that, the sticker will disappear from the conversation for everyone. Like it was never there. And that's it. You've just learned how to unsend a sticker from a chat on the Instagram app for PC, using the latest update. No more sticker mishaps or awkward moments in your DMS. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.